What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh wow!
Yeah,
man,
that's why you're like a perfect brother to each other.
Ada yang bunuhin orang-orang yang auranya sama energinya paling negatif nih.
Gua gak boleh mati. สวัสดีครับชาววัยหนุ่มคุกผีวันนี้ผมแชมป์ Just Do It จะมาพาทุกคนคุยกับ2ผู้กำกับทั้งประเทศไทยและอินโดนีเซียเพราะว่าสัปดาห์นี้เรามีหนึ่งในหนังสยองขวัญที่น่าตื่นเต้นที่สุดของปี Ghost in the Cell วัยหนุ่มคุกผีและวันนี้เราอยู่กับโจโกอันวา Hi man
Hi, how are you, man?
Good to see you and on the right side we have the best Thai director นะฮะที่ผมก้องเกียรติขมสิริ
สวัสดีครับ
First of all, you guys must be so confused that why you guys sitting here. Yeah.
No.
Right?
Because we're friends.
Oh, yeah.
Terus rencana lo apa setelah keluar?
Percuma juga punya rencana. Negara bangsat kayak gini, bukan kerja keras lu yang dihargain kan lu juga tahu.
The work of both of you kind of reflect each other in a weird way. You guys love making action scene, horror, funny, everything. All in one.
Because
It's always be like
because
that.
we love films, we love our genres, right? And we don't differentiate this genre is our favorite. We only like action films. No, we like to put everything in one film, right?
อันเนี้ยเรื่องล่าสุดเนี่ยเขาสัดส่วนเขาดีมากอะสัดส่วนของแอคชั่นตลกเบอร์เลอร์อะไรเงี้ยผมว่าเขาตัดต่อเองปะ
I love my editor. He works very fast. We lock in 4 days, and then that's it. We locked.
เขานั่งตลอดไหมหรือว่าเขาปล่อย
Did you see through all the whole editing process or you just leave them there sometimes?
No, I'm the editor also.
Oh, you did it also. Always gonna be there, right?
The reason why it's very fast, we lock after 4 days because we did pre-visualization, video boarding before we shoot. So we only shoot what's needed. So we never shoot anything that we don't use in the editing.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very fast.
Anak baru tahu wartawan, nyincang-nyincang bosnya.
Dia itu.
Iya, katanya gitu.
Before anyone confused online, what the hell is this film?
What the hell is this film?
Yeah, you need to introduce it.
This film
Yeah.
is about a bunch of people in prison who thinks that they can fight, they can be very negative, they can have like very bad energy, bad vibe. But then suddenly a ghost came to the prison, and the ghost will kill the worst person. They will kill people with the worst energy. So they have to learn to be good by doing art, by doing religious things, and they think they can survive, but no, they cannot survive because they'll be always the one who has the worst energy. So they have to work together to learn how to survive this ghost.
What a weird ass movie. I love
It's
it.
very weird.
It's way weirder than the poster.
Very weird, yes, yeah.
Even the trailer.
No, no.
I think I seen enough when I first saw the trailer. Like I know what it is.
But
Let's
no.
see, but then no.
No.
Oh my god. This is one of the most outrageous film from you. I say that.
I think it's similar with Thai movies also in the 80s and the 70s. Indonesian movies also like that. They have like the biggest energy, and they like to put everything that they could find into the screen just to entertain. And used to be very big, and we used to be very popular in the genre cinema in the world because we love to really give the audience some real treat by putting everything together all at once to their face. So this movie, Wainum Kufi, is like that.
หนังที่มันมีของเยอะขนาดเนี้ยเขาใช้เวลาถ่ายทำไอคิวถ่ายกี่คิว
22 days, but only half day. So we roll camera at 7 a.m. We wrap at noon or 1 p.m.
Oh.
5 to 6 hours a day.
Whoa. For him it take forever, this guy.
Some people work differently. I mean, some people aim for perfection, and it's very respectable, and they have to take like the best. But I believe that the first take is always the best because it's very honest.
You have no as like the director who didn't give much of a take for the actor. Get-
Only one or two.
Only one or two.
Same, right?
Same, right?
yes
Same.
same
แล้วอย่างพี่ขมเวลาถ่ายคิดเห็นยังไงบ้างครับวิธีการถ่ายทำ
มันต้องเร็วอ่ะมันต้องเบอร์นี้แหละคือบางคนเขาจะ10 เทค 8 เทคกันเลยเราวันเอา2 เทคเนี่ยโอเค
Yeah. Because if you repeat so many times, the actors will be, you know, they'll be drained and they will try to please you instead of really give the character life.
You guys like a perfect brother. Sounds
Yeah,
about right.
brother!
Yeah. Good choice. Which came first, the prison or the ghost?
Actually, I was trying to picture Indonesia in a nutshell.
Oh.
It's very absurd right now. There are so many corruption, deforestation, and I'm thinking about how to put this into a small space, so I don't have to portray a lot of people, a lot of money. So I think prison is like the best representation of how we feel as Indonesian living in our country. So the prison comes first, and then the ghost.
เขาเป็นคนมีอารมณ์ขันแล้วก็ปากจัดมากอะขี้ประชดประชันมาก หนังเขาทุกเรื่องมันมีความสิ่งที่เราชอบมากๆในงานของโจโก้ก็คือ ความย้อนแย้งอะความพาราดอกซ์ที่มันใส่มาอยู่ในเรื่องคราวเนี้ยพี่อยากรู้ว่าระบบเซ็นเซอร์ในประเทศเขาเดือดไหม
Yeah.
คือไอ้ประเด็นแบบเนี้ยในเมืองไทยเผลอๆทำไม่ได้ทั้งที่เราก็มีคอร์รัปชันเหมือนกันเนี่ย
If you do something like this in Thailand, there's a lot of stuff you need to get cut. Yeah.
It's serious.
serious
For real.
ทุกๆ problem เลย
Yeah. Can you share about your censorship?
Indonesian censorship is the best. I mean,
Oh.
they don't even cut anymore. They don't censor films. They just give ratings.
Ah.
So this movie is passed with no cuts, but they gave us 17 years plus. So people under 17 cannot watch it. If you want your movie to be viewed by 17 plus, and then you have to cut something. But if you want your movie as it is, then they will not cut anything. So our censorship board now, for the past 12 years, has been really good.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.
That's why you go all the way for every film. Yeah.
Yes. But they have been very good supporters of our film, especially for the Siege. Actually, the House of Representative members were protesting against why the censorship board passed it. But they stood by their decision. No, this movie is suitable for public viewing. So they're actually fighting for filmmakers.
Wow. That's good. Can we hire some of you guys?
Yeah,
work
no,
for us here?
we need them.
กรรมการเซ็นเซอร์เนี่ยเขาจะเปลี่ยนไปเรื่อยๆ เช่นสมมุติว่าถ้าตำรวจเป็นคนดูเซ็นเซอร์ ถ้ามีตำรวจเลวในเรื่อง อันนั้นจะโดนเสร็จ แต่ว่าถ้าคนอื่นเลวไม่เป็นไรห้ามตำรวจเลว ประเทศเขามีแบบนี้ไหม
They came from every kind of department. Some of them are teachers, some of them are educators, or the same. Some of them are journalists. The mindset of censorship has been changed for the past 12 years in Indonesia, which is very good. Make movies in Indonesia then.
Yeah. All right. His next film.
Yes, please.
Perfect.
I'll be your AD.
ขอเป็นผู้ช่วยให้เลย
โอ้แจมกันดีกว่า
Bapak jangan berantem-berantem lagi ya, Pak.
Bener.
เรื่องเนี้ยเรารู้สึกว่าโจโก้มันมือมาก มันมืออะเรารู้สึกได้เลยในฐานะดีเรคเตอร์ว่าเขามันมือเอนจอยทำไมถึงอยากเปลี่ยนแปลงในแบบทำไมถึงคอมเมดี้ถึงมาอยู่ในเรื่องนี้ ก่อนหน้านี้งานเขาจะตึงๆซีเรียสหนักๆใช่ไหมพอมาอันนี้เนี่ยเพราะกลไกการตลาดหรือว่าเพราะอะไรแต่เรารู้สึกว่าเขาทำแล้วเขารีแลกซ์แล้วมันมือไหมโดยความรู้สึก
Yeah, I think it's very important to be able to have fun while shooting a film. When we make a film, usually we're trying to say something about justice, about how to make humans, right? How to humanize human. But if we don't have that mentality while making a film who speaks about justice and humanize human, I think it's going to be hypocritical. So it's very important to treat everybody with respect. And I think once everybody is treated with respect, they'll be able to have fun. I mean, no matter how lavish a production is, but if there's no respect within a film set, I think they will not be fun. During my most serious film like Grave Torture,
Yeah.
the spirit on the set is vibrant and fun.
Keramas sagunan. Tetes kedes turun nengok.
ในแง่ของภาพเดี๋ยวโจโก้เราเชื่อว่าเขาแม่นยำมาก เรารู้สึกว่าเขาอยู่ในหนังตัวเขาเสมอกล้องคือเขาเสมออะการใช้สเปซเล่นกับคนดูเนี่ยเรารู้สึกว่าอันนี้เนี่ย the best
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
ใน Grave Torture
Yeah.
ซีนที่เราชอบมาก ๆ เลยคือซีนที่ไอตัวน้องชายมันมาล้างศพแล้วมันเดินไปที่ตู้ล็อกเกอร์ แล้วมันเป็นวันช็อตมันเป็นลองช็อตแล้วไอ้สเปซกับทามมิ่งอ่ะ the best อันนี้คือแบบว่าโจโก้เก่งอันนี้จริงๆอ่ะโจโก้เก่งในการนวดอารมณ์ความรู้สึก ซึ่งจังหวะเหล่านั้นอ่ะพอมาเรื่องนี้มันเซอร์ไพรส์เพราะว่าด้วยวิธีการอีกแบบหนึ่งแต่กวนตีนขึ้นอ่ะปกติคนมันจะเปลี่ยนแบบไม่ได้ไงอันเนี้ยเขาถ่ายเองปะ
Oh yes,
From
I
the
think
start?
I think the director has to decide where to put the camera. I mean, the camera for me should represent the human eyes. So it's a matter of how to put the audience inside the experience. That's why in my films I never use drone shot because people cannot fly, for instance, and I use long lens sparingly because that will only use when it's very needed, meaning that we are actually looking at something from a distance,
Yeah.
but it still feel for me unrealistic. So I really love to shoot with wide lens to represent more of the human eye. The 35 is actually the perfect representation of human eyes, but 25 or even wider than that still can be taken as the representation of human vision. It's still okay. Yeah.
เขาถ่ายป่าสวยมาก ในหนังกับทุกเรื่องเลยนะ อันนี้คือเป็นคนชอบป่า
Oh wow! I mean, all my films they all talk about ecological importance, especially in this one because we talk about deforestation, right? In a film, it should not just be about the interaction between the people. It's not just about interaction between characters, but it should be also interaction between the people, the characters, and the environment.
Dimanapun kita berusaha untuk positif, pasti ada auranya yang paling negatif kan? Dan orang itu bakal mati.
The last few years, we have like a prison movie, like almost the same name as this Thai name version of your film. Yeah, Wai Num. Yeah.
Why Num?
And the thing is, they found like
Empty prison.
empty prison that just closed for like a few years.
Really?
Yeah. So they shoot everything in that prison, and some of the extra are like the ex-con from the same prison.
Really?
Yeah. And I was in the set, and some of the extra they'd be like, "Damn, this kind of like nostalgic for us
Oh, wow.
in a weirdest kind of way."
We were trying to find a real prison, but there's no empty prison in Indonesia. They're all booked.
Oh my god. Apart from the beautiful stuff, there's a lot of blood in this film.
Beautiful blood.
Yeah, beautiful blood. For all those golfers, how do you design it?
For instance, the bloody scene, the gore in the film, they're not there because we want to have gory films. By the way, I hate gory films. I hate gory films for the sake of being gory. For me, it's sickening, like it's very numbing. But if the gory scene really important for the stories and really connected to the characters, and that's when it clicked. All those dead bodies in this film, they all connected to the characters and the messages that we want to convey through those what we call macabre art. It's macabre, but it's artistic. That's why it's macabre art. Yeah.
การที่หนัง หนังเขามันมีความแบบไอ้หนังบัดดี้เนี่ยหนังนี่มันมีเลือดขนาดนี้แต่ในประเด็นของมันเนี่ยในประเด็นของหนังเขาเกือบทุกเรื่องเลยเนี่ยมันมักจะพูดเรื่องศาสนาการเมืองอยู่เสมอศาสนาการเมืองความรุนแรงสำหรับเขา3อย่างเนี้ยมันเกี่ยวพันกันไง
I think as a filmmaker, we have the responsibility to give voice for people who don't have the voices. We give voices to people who cannot speak up about things, about their lives. You have to understand that making film is a privileged profession. Not too many people can make films, right? And many people want to do films, but not too many people can do the actual filmmakings. So I have to bring all this to the surface and make people aware that there are so many issues going on and we have to speak up about them. I don't choose to do movies with political undertones or overtones,
Yeah.
but you have to do it because you live in a place where injustice is still very rampant and politicians can do whatever they want for their benefit, and you have to speak up about this. Otherwise, you as a filmmaker will be betraying the nature of a filmmaker itself.
Kalian yang menentukan apakah hari kalian berjalan lancar atau penuh masalah.
For after all the journey, what do you learn from making this film?
Ooh, what I learned from making this film?
Yeah.
I think what I learned through these years of making films, I think it's more appropriate. I learned that the more we do films, the more we understand that we don't know anything about filmmaking. It will never getting easier. It's getting difficult, right? Because before you make films, you think making films are very easy. The thing is, we have to learn. We have to continue learning because making film is communication to our audience and how to make films that communicative enough for audience and they can access it and get whatever we want to say. It's a never-ending process of learning.
คนดูในอินโดนีเซียคือเรารู้สึกว่าเขาเป็นคนแบบสมัยใหม่อะมีหัวคิดแนวใหม่กับอินโดนีเซียเนี่ยคอนเซอร์เวทีฟไหมแล้วมันการทำงานของเขามีปัญหากับออเดียนส์ไหม
Oh, they are very smart. Indonesian audience, they are very smart and they demand more in the films now. And that's the reason why we have to keep up with the demand for higher qualities. Yes, otherwise they'll just leave us. I mean, Indonesian films, we dominate the market now in Indonesia.
Oh yeah.
65% are Indonesian films in local market. They don't even watch Hollywood movies the same way they watch them
Hell
long
yeah.
time ago. They prefer to watch Indonesian films. So
Oh,
we have
yeah.
to keep up. We cannot lower our standard. We cannot lower our benchmark. We have to really pumping and give them what they want. Better qualities, better storytelling.
Kata ibu, bapak seharusnya udah keluar tahun lalu. Tapi karena bapak sering berantem di penjara, jadi nggak dapet remisi.
Maafin Bapak ya.
So like before we left today, what's next from you?
I'm doing Satan Slave 3
Oh yeah.
origin. Yeah, the
Oh,
origin
yeah.
of all the stories. Yeah.
All right. Can't wait. He has a new film too coming end of this year. You wanna pitch us a little bit?
ประเสริฐแปลว่าอะไรวะประเสริฐแปลว่าประเสริฐเป็นชื่อแต่ว่ามันก็เป็นทูมินิ่งแหละมันเป็นเรื่องของบริษัทรถเช่าในวงการมาเฟีย
Please invite me to the premiere. I want to come.
Yeah.
I love crime drama and crime thrillers. It's the best. Yeah.
But because it's from this guy, it's not gonna be just a crime drama. It's gonna be a weird sad film.
Which is
too.
the best.
Yeah.
The best kind.
Is it gonna be violent?
That's
th เซฟถ้าเป็นไปได้บอกโนเวมเบอร์
November. I'll come.
โนเวมเบอร์
I will definitely come. Prasert.
Yeah.
Watch Prasert November, and I will be there.
อยากโชว์รูปข้างบ้านอะตอนรวมร่างอะ Yeah. He just made one weird ass creature, and because of the spoiler, people have to keep it for months. And now it's just on Netflix, so we can show it now. We're gonna show it to you. Let me find a picture for 1 second. I think you're gonna love it. Disturbingly,
yes.
like like a perfect brother and sister of your film. Oh yeah.
What the fuck? Bloody awesome!
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm watching it tonight. Don't show
Oh
me.
yeah.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
man,
That's why you're like a perfect brother to each other. All right, that's
I
it for
love
me
it.
today.
I love
In the Nail Thai fan, we love you.
Thank
and
you
we
so
can
much.
wait for more.
Thank you so much.
Jogo.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you so much. Kampun Cup, thank you so much.
ขอบคุณครับ
Kamu udah kepala basah. Berenang yang pintar makanya. Manfaat kita nih di negara ini pasti ada. Kalau enggak mungkin hidup sesia-sia itu. Jadi ini semua kita yang di sini masih harus hidup. Keluar dari sini dan nemuin apa gunanya kita.